The 19th century was the era of flourishing French Romanticism. People are not born to drag chains, but to spread their wings. This is from Hugo's last novel, 93. I am also a romantic. Beautiful things always touch my heart. Crispy butter cookies are wrapped in thick chocolate with a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Stacked together, they resemble Napoleon puff pastry a bit. Inspiration strikes. First, poke small holes in the Napoleon puff pastry to prevent it from puffing and cracking during baking. Making puff pastry takes a long time, so beginners can choose semi-finished products. In addition, puff pastry, croissants, and red bean pies are also suitable. Place in the oven at 200 degrees and bake for 10 minutes first. After taking it out, cover the puff pastry with a layer of baking paper and weight it down. Then continue baking for 10 minutes. Now it's time to make the custard. Add vanilla extract to the milk and heat on low while stirring continuously until it reaches a slight boil. Then remove from heat and cool to about 45 degrees. Add granulated sugar to the egg yolks and stir until slightly pale. Then add the starch and continue stirring, finally mixing it into the cooled milk. Strain the egg mixture into a small pot and heat, stirring until smooth. While it's still warm, place it in a container, add butter, and stir. Cover with plastic wrap and chill an hour. Sprinkle granulated sugar on the surface and use a torch to melt it. Finally, whip the custard until smooth. Then fold it into the cream until well combined. The diplomat cream is ready, and now prepare the pistachio cream. After cutting the strawberries, you can start decorating.